It's well known that the elements that make up our universe, so they are very important in our life.
Yes, they are indeed very important and powerful. Now I call upon our students to demonstrate who is the most important among them.
I am the spirit of the periodic table, the keeper of balance, the guardian of science. I have watched elements rise, react, and transform the universe. Today, I am here to listen, to judge, and to remind you greatness isn't just about power, but purpose.
I'm hydrogen, the first, the lightest. I'm the most abundant. I fuel the stars, I form water, and I started the universe itself. Without me, you have nothing. Remember, greatness begins at H.
I am oxygen, the breath of life. You need me to live, to move and burn. I bond with the best hydrogen to form water and I give energy to the carbon. In every breath I am present in it, quietly keeping you alive.
I am helium, floaty, funny, and totally chill. I don't react much, but I keep things cool. Literally, I lift balloons, cool rockets, and make voices squeaky. I'm stable, noble, and hard to catch. Just try and hold me down.
I'm iron, the strength of civilization. From swords to skyscrapers, from your blood to your machines. I build, I endure, I empower. Progress. Without iron, you can't have it.
They call me carbon. I am in every cell, every living thing, and every humans. From diamonds to DNA, coal to computers, I connect everything. I don't just exist, I evolve.
I am chlorine, cleaner of water, killer of germs, protector of health. I am sharp, I am strong, and yes, I can sting. But pair me right, I can save lives. Chemistry isn't always safe, but it is always necessary.
gold, eternal, elegant, untarnished by time, decided by kings, worn by queens, and treasured by all. I may not build bridges, but I build legacies.
I am uranium. I split atoms, I power cities, and I change history. In my silence, there is strength. In my core, unimaginable energy. Dangerous? Yes, but without me, the future will remain in dark.
Welcome, noble metals of the periodic kingdom. You stand today not in conflict, but in challenge. A challenge to discover who among you holds the title of most important element. Present your case with honor, science, and spirit. Everyone, please sit down.
I'm hydrogen, the first, the lightest, and the most abundant, the origin of star and the building block of water. Without me, there is no universe.
Hydrogen, thank you. But let the others speak. This courtroom awaits many stories. Let the elemental contest begin.
I power the stars and I form water with oxygen. I'm used in rocket fuel and my simplicity is my strength. Don't let my size fool on you.
Spark, more like a boom. You explode at the slightest flame.
At least I do something important.
I am the party spirit. I make balloons float, keep MRI cool, and chill rockets for space travel. I am stable, noble, and gentle, unlike hydrogen over here, who is a walking fire hazard.
Your only achievement is sounding funny and floating away.
And you burn when I'm gone.
I am the element of life. I am in every cell, every breath, and every living thing. From diamonds to DNA, coal to computers, I connect everything. From organic chemistry exists because of me. So I am adaptable, essential, and literally everywhere.
Yet without me, your life goes breathless.
That's why we are great together, CO2.
I don't need to brag, I give breath. Without me, fire fade and lungs collapse.
You keep life alive, I keep it moving.
Teamwork I am.
I am the muscle of mankind. Swords, skyscrapers, ships, and your blood all need me. Without iron, there's no progress, no strength, no power.
Strength fades, shine lasts forever.
Shiny, yes, useful, not so much.
I'm timeless, decided by kings, worn by queens, and treasured by all. I symbolize wealth, beauty, and excellence. People go to war over me.
And yet they drink me.
No one drinks me, they admire me.
They may not admire me, but I save them. I purify water, protect from disease, and keep pools clean. I may be dangerous alone, but in compounds, I'm a hero.
Dangerous? You are a teaspoon compared to me.
At least I don't glow in the dark.
I am power. I run cities and submarines. My energy splits atoms. My presence shifts politics. I am feared, revered, and vital for the future.
You are the drama king of the table.
Mock me, but when the lights comes on, that's me.
Enough boasting. Let's settle this. One by one, state your final claim.
I'm the beginning. Without me, there is no universe.
I lift spirit, school tech, and remain calm.
I am life.
I give breath and flames burn.
I build cities and run your blood.
I inspire dream, beauty, and wealth.
I protect people every day through chemistry.
I power the future whether feared or revered.
Order! 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 You sound like unstable molecules about to react. Look at yourselves. Each of you is powerful in your own way, but no single element rules chemistry. The periodic table was designed as a system, a balance of strength, life, protection, and progress. Hydrogen starts the stars, helium keeps us cool, carbon forms life, oxygen sustains it. Iron builds, coal inspires, chlorine protects, uranium powers. You are not competitors, but you're collaborators.
So we are stronger together?
Just like molecules, better in combination.
Even I can agree with that.
Unity is power.
Then let chemistry reign not with competition but with cooperation.